Here's the 5 biggest AI tech stories that you need to know about today. First off, Wikipedia signs AI training deals with Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon. It's where open source meets big AI, but this time with a check attached. At a single click, mounted a covert multi-stage attack against Copilot. One click, real data exfiltration. And inside OpenAI's raid on Thinking Machines Lab, AI talent wars go global. And ASUS has stopped producing the NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti and 5060 Ti 16 gigabytes graphics cards, saying that they've reached the end of life. AI's appetite for memory is reshaping the GPU. And right now, you can get up to $90 off remarkable e-ink tablet bundles. The link's in the description below. And e-paper win for focused productivity. Remarkable's New Year's sale knocks off $90 off of their bundles. Check the link below for your discount. So let's get right into it. The Wikimedia Foundation is expanding paid high throughput API access to their Wikimedia enterprise to Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Perplexity, and Mistral. Content remains Creative Commons and terms are undisclosed. But revenue will help offset rising infrastructure costs and declining referral traffic as AI summaries grow. Everybody's using AI summaries. They're not going to Wikimedia much anymore. A single click just mounted a covert multi-stage attack against Copilot. Varonis researchers showed how a legitimate Microsoft Copilot URL carrying a malicious prompt could siphon sensitive user details from chat history and keep running even after the tab closed. The exploit bypasses endpoint defenses. Microsoft says they have fixed the issue. However, the incident spotlights prompt-based attack surfaces and enterprise AI inside OpenAI's raid on Thinking Machine Lab. So Wired reports that OpenAI has recruited 2 co-founders from Southeast Asia's Thinking Machines Lab, and it may bring over more researchers next, underscoring the escalating race for elite AI talent. The move reflects the industry's push to accelerate agentic AI efforts, aiming to automate office work. And ASUS says their NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti and 5060 Ti 16 gigabyte graphic cards have reached their end of life, claiming that the 16 gigabyte boards are amid a global memory crunch, with retailers reporting scarce supply, while NVIDIA says demand is strong and memory remains constrained. But the thing is that AI data centers, they're in demand for diverting memory, including HBM, away from consumer GPUs, pushing prices up and availability down. Some partners are reportedly sourcing memory themselves even. And right now, you can get up to $90 off remarkable E-Link tablet bundles. This 10.3-inch E-Link display has a 21 millisecond pen latency, 2-week battery life, and cloud sync using Google Drive, OpenDrive, or Dropbox. The Paper Pro bundles are also discounted for those who want color and a built-in light. Be sure to click that link down in the description and get your remarkable E-Link tablet today. So that's all I got for you for today. Be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified the next time we launch our video. And I'll be sure to keep curating the most relevant AI news stories, Linux, open source, e-paper, automation, and breakthrough tech news to make sure that you get all the up-to-date news fast, clear, and in a useful way. Thanks for watching Useful AI Hacks, and we'll see you tomorrow.